This right here has to be one of the best budget travel lens you can go pick up in the Canon RF lens mount today. Now, of course, man, you know, we got the Canon 24 to 105 f4. This, whew, I done bought this lens 3 times. I'm not gonna lie to you. I had it with my Canon R, sold it for a drone. Then I sold the drone. Then I immediately regretted doing both options. So got it the second time, took it back again because I just wasn't confident. Then I went to Chicago. I went to Chicago and I was changing my lenses over back and back, basically back and forth. I went from a 35 to the 85 to the 50. Then I just get home. I said, bro, I should just go ahead and purchase this camera lens again. It's only $12.99. You know, I wanted to get the 24 to 70, but I can't afford to pay $25 for no lens right now. That's kind of crazy. That's really kind of crazy. So yeah, man, I think that this 24 to 105 is probably going to be the best budget lens that you can go out and pick up today, just for the price point as well. I mean, like I said, it's an f4, so it's really not that bright, or like I said, it's not that fast, but I mean, you're gonna be outside all day anyway, so I mean, that's a bonus. So you really don't need to, I guess, shooting at 2.8, you know, f4 is pretty good for me. Then on top of that, even though this is supposed to be about travel and photography, this is even perfect for video. This lens does come with its own image stabilization built inside of the camera as well. So, you know, if you're doing videography work or you're just doing content creation, you can go ahead and run a gun with the, you know, shooting at the 24, which is not that, you know, it's not that wide, but the widest Canon lens we got right now that you can go get, that's a prime, is a 16 millimeter, and that doesn't have image stabilization at all. And you know, you got to use your camera body. So yeah, this 24-105, this right here is that guy. I'm not gonna lie, this is straight up that guy, man. This is gonna be a short video today because I mean, there's not that much to it, man. I really wish I had this lens when I was in Chicago, because me having to take off my book bag, and I got the Peter McKinnon 25 liter book bag, so you know, me having to take that off and unzip it and put the lens back, take the lens out, put the lens back, take the lens out. It was kind of crazy. So yeah, I was really pissed I didn't have the 24 to 105 with me, but now I got it with me, and this is probably one of the, not even probably, this is one of the lenses I use on, you know, on every day now. Rather it's for traveling, videography, and even studio photography work as well. This lens right here has been very helpful to me. So I'll be making me a round trip back to Chicago with my 24 to 105. That way I can just go ahead and zoom out and zoom back in, you know, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Man, that's all we got for you guys today, man. Appreciate you guys for stopping by. Make sure you guys go to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.